E hia ke nei ngā taitara ā motu kua riro i āia i roto i ngā tau nei. Engari nāia nei, kua tahuria Julius Peterson o Tainui Waka ki te whakamātau i te hoi waka Pākehā. Hei huarahi hou mōna i tana whai kia eke ia ki ngā karamatamata o te ao whānui. Hei tā te pūrongo a Terina Kōwhai e hia ana te uri nei o Hoturoa. E rua te kaumā whā ngā tau kia haere ia ki te taumā heke heke o te ao.
He āhuarite te tere o te waka, engari hei tā tēnei kaihoi waka ama, he ao anō te hākinakina kōreti.
I was pretty confident saying like, man, this shouldn't be too hard, you know, I should be okay. And then it was the complete opposite day. We came down, man, it took like 3-4 hours just to be able to just sit in the day. As soon as they put us in, I was pretty surprised on how hard it was.
Nā te whanaungatanga i Wainganui a Canoe Racing New Zealand me Waka New Zealand, i puta ai te ihu o tēnei uri no Tainui. Whai muri i ngā whakamātautau tinana e rua rā te roanga, ka riro mā te kaiako matua nei o te karapu o North Shore Canoe, e whakaako i aia.
The crossover, the same muscles and strength and core is used in waka ama is used in kayak. So there's a relationship. So the training, and these guys are the best of the best in New Zealand, Māori athletes in waka ama. It gives them an opportunity to possibly move into a sport where they can get Olympic gold medals or even just go to Olympics and represent New Zealand.
Obviously, it's a lot of stability, balance, and there's a lot of flipping, you know, especially getting into winter. So I've done my fair share of flipping lately, but I'm kind of just trying to improve every session, just try and tick every session off, try and have little goals.
Aha kua e whaamarama noi hoi ia e whai wāhi ana ki tēnei hākinakina, kotahi te aronga a Peterson.
I know the Olympics is next year, but even like looking further down the track in the next 4 years or so, that would be the ultimate goal to go to the Olympics and represent New Zealand on that world stage in kayaking.
Me te aha e whakangungu ana ia ki te taha o ngā whetū maiangi.
There's some top athletes, even some Olympian athletes, the likes of Lisa Carrington, Amy Fisher, and names like that who've been to the Olympics and, you know, who have won gold medals. So just being around athletes on the daily, seeing them train, it's refreshing for me. It's cool to see them because they're at that level within the sport that I'm trying to do, you know. I'm only a rookie.
It's just taking passion and determination. He's working really hard to get there, and he's very early in his journey. So, you know, 2020 is like, he's just got to push, but it could be 2024, 2028. So, but he started the journey, and that's the main thing.
Ai marika e hoi ana ia i ngā wai hou. Terina Kōwhai, Te Karere.